19 and the time is 3. अब आ जाएगा आंसर? सबका आ जाए तो बता देना, then we'll move ahead. आ गया सबका? क्या आ जाएगा इसके आगे? This will be
1.6 into 10 to power minus 18.
yes, that's right. A is the right answer. ये हो जाएगा 10 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. That will be 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 18. आगे यूनिट हम लगाएंगे एम्पियर्स. That will be the option A. राइट, आ गया सबको समझ में?
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall we move ahead? All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. A current of 0.5 amperes is drawn by a filament of an electric bulb for 10 minutes. The amount of electric charge flowing through the bulb is. Yes, that's the right answer. Sorry. Yes, that's right. Yes, Kuldeep, right answer. Anyone else? See, the question has provided with the current. So I is equal to 0.5 amperes is drawn by a filament of an electric bulb for 10 minutes. The time is given as 10 minutes. But in SI units, we take this as 600 seconds. All right. Now the amount of electric charge. So I equals to Q by T, and Q will be I into T. That's it. That will give us the answer. क्या आ रहा है? ये हो जाएगा 0.5 into 600, that is 300 and charge की unit is coulombs. So C is the right answer. आ गया सबको समझ में?
Yes, sir.
Shall we move ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Current flows through a wire only when there is dash between the ends of the wire. Yes, Rishikesh, right answer. No, Arushi, we have to pay attention to all of the options. Yes, that's right. Yes, Devanshi, right answer. Anyone else? See, when there is dash between the ends of the wire, तो potential difference होता है तो current flow करता है. So A is right. And potential difference at one end is more than at the other end. इसका मीनिंग भी वही है. Potential difference तभी होता है जब एक का दूसरे से ज्यादा होता है. So this is also right. And work is done in moving a charge. Basically ये भी potential की ही definition होती है. So this is also right. So D, all of the above, this will be the right answer. Alright, आ गया सबको समझ में?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The SI unit of potential difference is no, Chatra. That's not the right answer. Yes, that's right. Yes. No, Rishikesh.
सर मैंने आपको आंसर भेजा अभी.
See, volt is the standard unit. Alright, this is the standard unit. But when we talk about SI units, then SI units में volts भी count होता है, joules और ampere seconds भी count होता है और joules coulombs भी count होता है. So इन तीनों को अगर आप simplify करेंगे, so it will come out as volts only. So the option will be all of the above.
सर पर तीन तीन ऐसा यूनिट तो नहीं हो सकते ना.
SI units हो सकती है. ये जो एक होती है वो standard होती है. Alright, that's the difference.
ओके ओके.
स्टैंडर्ड एक हो सकती है लेकिन SI यूनिट्स की जब बात करते हैं तो उसमें जो हमारे पास जो बेसिक यूनिट्स होती है अलग अलग डायमेंशंस की उनको यूज करके हम अलग अलग बना सकते हैं. Yes, coulomb is for charge, but इसको आप अगर इस डेफिनेशन से देखें कि पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इक्वल्स टू वर्क डन पर यूनिट चार्ज। तो यहाँ से अगर आप इनकी यूनिट्स देखेंगे, सो वर्क डन इज इन जूल्स एंड चार्ज इज इन टर्म्स ऑफ कूलम। सो यहाँ से भी आप पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस की ऐसे यूनिट निकाल सकते हैं, जूल्स पर कूलम। ऑलराइट, okay, let's move on to the next question. This is an easy one. The symbol used for denoting battery in a circuit is, yes, Arushi and Devanshi, right answer. Yes, Kuldeep, right answer. Yes, Rishikesh, right answer. Yes, that's the right answer. Anyone else? All right. Yes, A is the right answer. थोड़ा क्लियर नहीं है शायद डायग्राम में. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The amount of work done in moving a charge of 2 coulombs across 2 points having a potential difference of 24 volts is. Yes, Arushi, right answer. Yes, Devanshi, right. Yes, Rishikesh, right answer. Yes, Kuldeep, right answer. No, Jaitra, that's wrong. Yes, that's right. Yes, Sonakshi, right answer. All right. B will be the right answer, as we know that V equals to work done upon charge. So work done equals to V into Q. That gives me 24 into 2. That is 48, and work done is in joules. All right, let's move on to the next question. The resistance of the wire when the length of the wire increases 2 times. No.
Sir, I have sent you the answer. Is my answer correct?
What option did you send me?
Yes, sir.
Ayush has given the right answer.
Okay, sir.
No, Kuldeep. A is not the answer. Yes, Arushi, that's right. See, the thing to remember over here is अगर length double हो रही है, then basically उसको stretch करके double किया जा रहा है. Alright, so its area of cross section will also change.
So, but एक समान चीज नहीं आई कि sir, for example, if we increase the length of the wire, then how does the area of cross section change?
See, I think question में clearly नहीं दिया हुआ है, but
So,
usually.
but resistance is directly proportional to length of the wire, no? So if it increases, if it is
No.
increased by 2 times, the resistance will also be increased 2 times.
That statement is incomplete. See, resistance is not only proportional to length, resistance is also inversely proportional to the area of cross section of the wire. Both of them have to comply with each other. Only then both of them will hold true. All right. So what happens when you stretch a wire? if it is elongated, if it is stretched, then what will happen? The volume of the wire will remain constant and the thickness will get smaller. All right. आ रहा है समझ में?
Or shouldn't it be mentioned in the question?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
That's what I thought. Question में mentioned होना चाहिए था कि resistance of the wire is doubled by stretching, 2 times by stretching.
So the correct answer, like, what is the correct answer for this one?
D.
Correct answer will be D. Because see, when you say R equals to rho L by A, and we talk about the length, so we have to take area in the terms of length, keeping the volume constant, right? Because area into length and area into length in both of these situations will be same. So area into length is equal to volume. So area can be written as volume upon length. So this will become rho L upon V by L. This can be written as rho L square by V. And now we can say that if the volume of the wire is constant, then resistance is proportional to square of the length. Alright.
Yes, sir.
तो अगर क्वेश्चन में बाय स्प्लिटिंग लिखा होता है, then our answer will be 4 times.
और सर और क्या कंडीशंस हो सकते हैं अगर बाय स्ट्रेचिंग ना लिखा हो और क्या हो?
बाय स्ट्रेचिंग अगर ना लिखा हुआ है, अगर सिंपली ये बोल दिया क्लियरली कि लेंथ डबल कर दी, या फिर ऐसा कह दिया कि 2 सेम वायर्स एक के आगे एक जोड़ दिए, देन 2 टाइम्स हो जाएगा.
ओके ओके सर, पर आपने ये नहीं बताया कि एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन कैसे बढ़ जाता है?
सी ऑलमोस्ट कॉमन सेंस आप सोच
सर
सकते
एक्चुअली
हो.
आपने जैसे ऊपर डायग्राम बनाया ए एल और ए एल जो वहाँ पे ऊपर लिखा है, सो फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू सी द स्मॉल वायर हैज मोर एरिया क्रॉस सेक्शन, आई एम taking the size of the diagram as a real one. So the first diagram has more area of cross section, whereas the second diagram has less area of cross section.
हाँ.
So sir, तो एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन तो कम हो जाना चाहिए था ना, आपने तो बहुत ज्यादा होना चाहिए.
मेरे कम हो गया ना, लेंथ बढ़ गई तो एरिया कम हो गया.
एरिया कम होगा ना?
हाँ, लेंथ बढ़ेगी तो एरिया कम होगा.
अच्छा नहीं, ओके, सो आई थॉट यू सेड बढ़ेगा.
Might be slip of tongue, but area and length like inversely proportional चलेंगे अगर
Okay,
stretch
okay.
कर देते. All right.
Yes, also when they say that they are attaching two wires, then the area of cross section will be the same.
हाँ, अगर किसी भी situation में area cross section remains the same, then आप directly
Two times.
resistance is proportional to length कर सकते हैं. Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right. Shall we move on?
So in that case, it will become 2 times.
Yes. In
Okay.
that case, it will be 2 times. Yes.
Okay.
All right. Next question. Easy one. Resistance of the wire is given by. Basically just Ohm's law. Yes, that's right. Yes, everyone has said me right answers. All right, that will be A. That is simply the Ohm's law, which also states that V equals to IR. And from here we get V upon I equals to R. Yes, that's right. All right. The resultant resistance when 3 resistances, 2 ohms, 4 ohms, and 5 ohms when connected in series is. Yes, that's right. That's right. Everyone has
सर
said
आज
the
थोड़ा
answer.
difficulty level बढ़ाओ ना सर.
Difficulty level बढ़ाएं. All right. Okay, so everyone wants more difficult questions? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All
So
right.
maybe we
So
can
Yes.
just move fast with the simple questions.
हाँ हाँ ऐसा कर लेते हैं. Actually, this series of questions which I'm having right now, ये अपन फटाफट खत्म कर लेते हैं within 10 minutes, and then I'll come up with some better questions. All right. Let's do it that way
All
then.
right.
Okay. तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा C. Okay. Now, potential difference in a circuit in which components are connected in series. जल्दी से चैट में सबके ऑप्शंस भेज दीजिए.
Sir, I sent you the answer.
Yes, C is the right answer. Anyone else?
So, can you explain this question?
All right. See, what the question is, when potential difference in a circuit in which components are connected in series, like we have different components. Suppose we take only resistors just for simplicity, and there is a potential difference connected. All right. Then it's asking me if the potential difference remains the same across each component. That means suppose I have been given 5 volts over here. So first option says me that across first, second and all of them will be 5 volts का difference. But ऐसा होता है क्या? ऐसा नहीं होगा. It will get dropped as we move in one direction. All right. Second option tells me gets distributed equally. No, it does not get distributed equally. It depends on the values of the resistors. कि उनकी वैल्यू कितनी होगी. जितना ज्यादा वैल्यू होगी उतना ज्यादा ड्रॉप होगा. Gets divided across each component. Yes, that's right. And in the fourth option, potential difference does not appear. नहीं, appear तो होता है. So that's why C will be the right answer.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Got it, everyone?
Yes.
All right. The resultant value of resistances, each of value R ohms when connected in parallel is X. When these resistors are connected in series, the resultant resistance is.
Sir, I have sent you the answer.
I did not receive any chat.
Sir, I'll send it again.
Make sure you're sending it to me. I've still not received any chat.
Yes,
So
sir.
can
1 second.
can you explain this question?
Sure. See what this question is saying is some resistances of value R are connected in parallel. Yes, that's the right answer. Yes, that's right. Ayush. Okay. See, some resistances of value R ohms are connected in parallel. All right. It is not given how many. It can be any number. And the resultant value of this is X. Okay. Now these resistances of same value R are connected in series. Then there will be some resultant. All right. Now what we want to do is we want to express the resultant of these in terms of X. No, I think the number of resistances is also given in the form of N. If you want, you can also take some uh, trial number, either 2 or 3, whichever you want. All right, let's try taking 3. Suppose we have 3 resistors in parallel. All right, of value R. Then the resultant of this will be 1 upon R plus 1 upon R plus 1 upon R whole inverted. That will become R by 3. All right. This is given as X. Now when we connect all of them in series, then the resultant will come out to be 3R. Okay, so how much larger is 3R from R by 3? It is 9 times, right? So we can say that it is n squared times the value of that in parallel.
I did not get it.
So why
सर
did
मुझे
Yes,
आंसर
sir.
n square upon x आया.
See, अपन n की टर्म्स में भी करके देख सकते हैं. See, this is a very simple formula
सर
that
आंसर ए है कि बी है?
B है. वो n के ऊपर मैंने मार्क लगाया था.
ओके सर.
आंसर इज B. See, अपन n की टर्म्स में भी करके देख सकते हैं इसको. Like see, we know that parallel में अगर same amount का resistance लगाया जाता है, then उसका जो final value होता है, suppose this is R, अगर 4 लगाते हैं तो इनका resultant क्या हो जाएगा? R by 4. Alright. तो क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग अगर अपन n लगाते हैं तो इनका रिजल्टेंट हो जाएगा R by n. Alright, now in the question it is telling me that its value is x, so I have to substitute this value as x. Alright, now in the second part, these resistances are connected in series. Alright, in series. So there are n number of resistors connected in series. So their resultant कितना हो जाएगा? R into n हो जाएगा. सही है ये?
Yes, sir.
तो alright, तुम ऐसा करके देख लो. ये फर्स्ट पार्ट में जो आया था x इक्वल्स टू r बाय n, यहाँ से r की वैल्यू निकाल लो, दैट इज x इंटू n। ऑलराइट, इसको तुम सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो इसमें रेजिस्टर्स सीरीज वाले में, तो क्या हो जाएगा x n इंटू n, यहाँ से भी आपके पास आ जाएगा आंसर n स्क्वायर इंटू x। ऑलराइट, see there are many approaches to solve this question. I have told you around 2 or 3 of them. आगे समझ में या डाउट है?
Understood, sir.
All right. Electric fuse is connected with ये लाइव वायर, नो, और ये ए ऑप्शन में जो लिखा है लाइव वायर, ये बेसिकली सीरीज की बात कर रहे हैं, इन सीरीज विद लाइव वायर।
So I sent the answer.
Right, just a second. All right, that's right. A is the right answer. It is connected in series with the live wire. All right. Next one. To determine the equivalent resistance of two resistors when connected in series, the correct way of connecting ammeter and voltmeter in the circuit is. Yes, Arushi, that's right. Yes, Rishikesh, Kuldeep, right answers. Yes, Devanshi, right answer. All right, D is the right answer. दो रेजिस्टेंस में से अगर हमें निकालना है इक्विवेलेंट, देन हमें करंट मेजर करना रहेगा, एंड करंट मेजर करने के लिए भी कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज, एंड पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस मेजर करने के लिए भी कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल। ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. While performing the experiment to study the dependence of current on potential difference, if the circuit used to measure the current and voltage is kept in on position for a longer time, then yes, that's right, Arushi. Yes, Rishikesh, that's right. Anyone else?
So,
Huh?
sir, don't know. I'm not able to open the chat, so I will not be able to send the message.
बता दो क्या आ रहा है आंसर?
सर मेरा आ रहा है सर मेरा आ रहा है एक सेकंड सर सर मेरा बी आ रहा है बी आई
नो.
एक सेकंड सर
So can you tell the solution for this? I did not get this one.
No, Devanshi, that's wrong. Yes, that's right.
सर ए है ए
नहीं, क्यों चेंज होगा वोल्टमीटर का?
सर क्योंकि लाइक इफ वी गिव कांस्टेंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी देन वोल्टेज अप डाउन होती है ना
बट क्यों चेंज होगा? See, suppose we have a resistance and current is flowing through this for a longer time. तो जब ज्यादा देर तक फ्लो करता है तो रेजिस्टर जो होता है ये हीट अप होने लगता है. ऑलराइट.
सर आंसर सी है
सी, रेजिस्टर जब हीट अप होगा तो आर की वैल्यू चेंज हो जाएगी.
तो बड़ी की कम होगी
that depends कि वो कौन से मटेरियल से बना है.
तो सर फॉर एग्जांपल वी टॉक अबाउट अ लैपटॉप
Just a second. See, generally it increases, and there is a proportionality constant that is called A, or anything. There's a constant which is identity for different materials. All right.
यस सर
So for most of the materials, it is usually positive. So with the increase in temperature, the resistance will increase.
ओके सर
Okay, so R will change. So because R will change, the V and I that will also change. Right, so the answer will be D.
ओके सर थैंक यू सर
All right.
सर डी मतलब सब कुछ ही होगा
हाँ हाँ.
So, voltmeter, ammeter, everything.
Yes.
Okay.
R चेंज होगा और R के ऊपर ही V and I जो इसके अक्रॉस जो फ्लो कर रहे हैं वो सब भी डिपेंड करेंगे.
Okay.
All right. Shall we move on?
Yes.
Okay. In the voltmeter, there are 20 divisions between 0 to 0.5. The least count of voltmeter is.
So ये हमारी बुक में नहीं दिया.
Least count is basically the lowest amount of something which an instrument can measure.
तो 0 से कम ही है ना obviously. Voltmeter तो 0 से कम.
नहीं,
No, not
least
voltmeter,
amount.
ammeter. Ammeter तो volt कम होता है.
No, A is not the right answer. See, for finding out the least count, what we do is जो क्या होता है कोई भी मीटर होता है ना जिसमें ऐसे नंबर्स लिखे होते हैं 0, 1, 2, 3, इनके बीच में भी ऐसे डिविजन्स बने हुए होते हैं. तो लीस्ट काउंट का मतलब होता है ये सिंगल जो एक होता है इसकी वैल्यू क्या है. ऑलराइट. तो इस क्वेश्चन में क्या गिवन है?
Sir, I think it's 2.5. It's B.
Yes, that's the right answer. B is right. ऑलराइट, यहाँ पे है एक 0 दिया है, एक 0.5 दिया हुआ है, एंड उनके बीच में 20 डिविजन्स है. ऑलराइट, these are 20 divisions. So for one single, what we do is 0.5 minus 0, that is 0.5, and we divide it by 20. That will give you the answer as B.
Okay, sir.
Alright, just a second. Alright, let's move on to the next one. A student sets up an electric circuit for verifying the Ohm's law. He observes that voltmeter reading gets in reverse direction. What should the student do? No one?
Just a second, sir.
No, Devanshi, that's not right.
So what do you mean by voltmeter reading gets in reverse direction?
रिवर्स डायरेक्शन में चले गया, मतलब कि बेसिकली अगर वो पॉजिटिव में जाना चाहिए था, सो इट हैज गॉन इन नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन.
Okay.
Yes, that's right.
So is the answer B?
No,
B.
no, that's not right. Yes, Rishikesh, that's the right answer.
So is my answer right?
What was your answer?
C.
Yes, that's right. C
Okay.
is the right answer, guys. See, that has got in reverse direction. What that means is, see, the person knows the potential difference, the polarities of the battery, and he has connected the voltmeter somewhere. All right, now he knows that it should be showing somewhere on the positive side, but instead of that it is showing him in the negative side. So that obviously means that he has connected the voltmeter in the opposite direction. So what he has to do is he has to reverse the connection of voltmeter. Sorry, I've made this in series. It will be in parallel. All right.
So but voltmeter like अलग से निकल के आता है ना?
Yes, that's the right answer, Ayush. Huh. What? What are you asking?
So voltmeter, so like for example, we have a resistor placed in circuit. So the voltmeter first wire starts before the resistor, and then there's a voltmeter, and then ends when the resistor ends. Like it is on the starting and ending point of the volt.
हाँ, that's right. फिर?
हाँ तो सर आपने तो कुछ अलग बनाया ना मेरे ख्याल से.
हाँ. मैंने कंप्लीट सर्किट बनाया ही नहीं एक्चुअली अभी. मैंने बस वोल्टमीटर तक ही बनाया था, जस्ट टू शो कि पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव जो होते हैं पोलैरिटीज बैटरी के, उनका वोल्टमीटर के साथ क्या रिलेशन होता है.
So अगर if we reverse the voltmeter, then the it will not work नहीं सर, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव उल्टा हो जाएगा.
See, the question already says that student ने पहले ही उल्टा लगा दिया था. All right.
तो सर उल्टा लगाने से तो वोल्टमीटर चलना ही नहीं चाहिए था.
नहीं चलता है ना, वो डायरेक्शन अपनी चेंज कर लेता है. उल्टा लगाओगे तो वो पॉजिटिव को नेगेटिव शो कर देगा.
No, sir. For example, if we want to pass the current through voltmeter, it will only go from positive to negative. It will not go from negative to positive. तो negative to positive तो नहीं जा सकता ना सर, तो फिर उल्टा भी नहीं आना
No,
चाहिए था.
see, have you used a voltmeter?
Like, yeah, yes, sir. In the school, I.
See, a voltmeter has predefined positive and negative terminals, all right?
Yes, one is red and one is black.
Yes, exactly. So we are supposed to put the correct wire in the correct pole, all right?
Yes,
But
sir.
if
So, for example, if we have a red wire, we have to put it in the red one and the black one and the black one. But,
yes,
sir, if
that's
we
right.
put the red wire in the black one and the black wire in the red one, then the voltmeter won't show any results, you know.
No, that doesn't happen. It shows the result because there is potentials, but the needle will deflect in the left hand side, all right? The voltmeter has its readings starting from 0 and then it goes in negative as well as in positive. All right.
Okay, sir.
This is also an easy question. I think we don't have much time, so we'll not be able to take up more questions. So let's see if we can finish these in time. All right. The amount of current flowing through an electric press, if the amount of charge passing through a conductor in 10 minutes is 300 C, क्या होगा? I equals to Q by T यूज करेंगे.
सर 30 होगा ना. ए होगा ना आंसर.
नहीं, टाइम मिनट्स में दिया हुआ है. We'll have to use it in
अच्छा,
seconds.
हाँ. Okay, yes. Once.
Yes,
So can
that's the
you
right
check if
answer.
my answer is correct?
Yes, सबने सही आंसर भेजा है.
Okay.
सर तो आंसर 0.5 होगा ना, सी.
हाँ, that's right.
Yes, हाफ हो जाएगा 300 by 600.
Exactly.
Yes.
Charge will be 300 coulombs and the time will be 600 seconds. Alright, so that will give us 0.5 amperes.
So for example, we get 1 by 2 and in the exam we write 1.2. So we have to convert into 0.5 for if we forget, then the marks will get cut.
No, it does not matter much. Usually, हाँ, अगर 1 by 2 है तो obviously we have to write 0.5.
And if we don't convert and leave it as 1 by 2.
Usually it does not matter, but like in 10th class, you are supposed to write the final answer as decimal.
Okay, sir.
अभी तो हम options के साथ देख रहे हैं, so obviously you have to convert.
Yes, sir.
Alright, okay. An electrical appliance has a resistance of 25 ohms. R is given as 25 ohms. When this electrical appliance is connected to a 230 volts power line, the potential is given as 230. The current passing through it will be.
So is my answer correct?
Yes,
Sir, I
that's
have
right.
also sent you the answer.
नहीं, तुम्हारा आंसर नहीं आया अभी.
So even I sent.
But I don't know. Actually, I'm facing some connectivity issues. So
Sorry, even I sent.
A जिसने भेजा है, that's the wrong answer.
Sir, answer C है ना?
हाँ.
हाँ सर, मैंने भेजा है पर पता नहीं आ जा नहीं रहा आपके पास.
सबका रिसीव हो रहा है. I don't know why yours is not getting received. Yes, Devanshi, that's the right answer. Yes, Kuldeep, right answer. C is the right. This is just 230 upon 25. एंड अप्रोक्सीमेटली दिख रहा है कि ये 10 टाइम्स से थोड़ा सा छोटा है. दिस इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 9 एंड इसी से हम देख सकते हैं कि ऑप्शन सी इज राइट. Alright. When a 4 ohm resistor is connected across this, the number of coulombs passing through the resistor per second is. That's just current. I think we can stop these questions. These are just repetitive. Alright, tell me answer of this question then. आयुष, अब आ रहे हैं तुम्हारे ऑप्शंस, तो बंद कर दो भेजना. हाँ, D is the right answer.
So
Sir,
B
D
or
है.
D?
D for Delhi.
हाँ sir.
Alright, let's have the last question for today. If in the given arrangement, these resistors are to be replaced by a single one. So basically, equivalent resistor निकालना है. Yes, Arushi, right answer. Yes, Devanshi, right answer.
Sir, it's 9.
Yes, that's right.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Kuldeep, right answer.
Okay, sir. Done, sir.
Alright. Yes, Sonakshi, that's right. Yes, Rishikesh, right answer. Alright, guys, that's all for today. Thank you for joining.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Good night.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.